Hello everyone. So in today's video, I got asked to go over an SAT problem, and I believe this problem is from SAT practice test number 3 on the no calculator math section. So let's look at what the problem says here. We're given a system of equations, kx minus 3y equals 4 and 4x minus 5y equals 7. And k is a constant, and x and y are variables. And it asks what value of k will the system have no solution. So I highlighted no solution because this is really the key to answering this problem. No solution means that if we graphed these two functions, they would never intersect. So for example, in this graph, these f and g of x have a solution if they intersect at this point. However, if they don't have a solution, then they're just going to be parallel lines that never intersect at the same point. Okay, so we know that these lines have to be parallel in order for there to be no solution, but what do parallel lines really mean? So parallel lines have equal slopes. So when you get the lines in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, the m's, or the slopes, of both of the lines should be equal. So let's go ahead and take what's given in the problem and convert it into this form, y equals mx plus b, by just isolating y on the left-hand side. So first I'm going to subtract kx from both sides and then divide by -3. So my final answer, well not answer, but my simplified line equation would be y equals k over 3x minus 4/3. And I'm going to subtract 4x on both sides and divide by -5. So I get y equals 4 over 5x minus 7/5. So now we have the confusing, crazy looking line equations into forms that we recognize, the y equals mx plus b form. So the slope of the line here is k over 3, and the slope of the line here is 4 over 5. And we know if these lines are going to be parallel, their slopes have to be equal. So I set the slopes equal to each other and solve for k. So 4/5 equals k over 3, and I cross multiply, do my butterfly multiplication. So 4 times 3 is 12, and 5 times k is 5k. And then to isolate k, I divide by 5 on both sides, so that my final answer for k, in which the system will have no solution, is 12 over 5. So if I plugged in 12 over 5 for k, I would have parallel lines, which means there is no area whatsoever where the lines intersect.